Has the battery life in your Nintendo Switch controllers gotten worse over time? Well, today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons. For this repair, you're going to need a Tri-Wing Y00 screwdriver, opening picks, and a spudger. We also recommend using a magnetic mat to keep everything organized during your repair. Start by removing the 4 Tri-Wing screws from the back of the case. Next, carefully slide a pick along the side of the controller. Open the controller slowly, you've still got some cables attached inside. Once you've got it open, disconnect the battery to kill power to the rest of the device. The battery is only slightly adhered, so go ahead and lift it up and off with your spudger. Insert your brand new battery and plug it back in. Close up the controller, making sure not to pinch the surrounding cables, and screw the controller back together. That's all for this repair. Be sure to hit subscribe and don't forget to check out the description for all the links to your parts and tools. I'll see you next time.